big guy. Watch out, they gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guy. Okay. And we be putting on for sure. And if you know.
Party people, how you guys doing? You guys see that rain? It's going crazy out there. It's going crazy, but good morning. Just want to say, hey, pop in real quick and see how you guys are doing. So dark in here. My goodness. Yeah, I'm just had to turn the light on. I'm just gonna do a smoothie this morning, just to get the day started. Had a great time last night at Disney Springs. Pray you guys are doing well this morning. Something to get me started, you know what I'm saying? Get the energy up, you know what I'm saying? Get the energy up. Berries, it's gonna be a berries and oats. Berries and oats smoothie this morning. So it should be really good. It should be pretty interesting as well too, because if you eat oatmeal and I know you put like your cranberries and raisins and all the good stuff in it, and then you got your berries. You know what I'm saying? You got your berries. So I'm gonna throw the rest of these pineapples in it as well too, since I had it left over. So let's go ahead and get started. Get the ice in here. Blueberries, these fresh blueberries, baby. Woo! These red berries, these raspberries. Yeah, color. I love that color combination. Yeah, maple and brown sugar oats. I was gonna do 2 packs, but I wanted to be too thick. And plus, I kind of like want to. I low-key may just fix a bowl of it. I know I'm gonna be hungry after this, but so I got my fiber. I got the benefit from the fruit, and since I had the pineapples left over, gonna use that. You know what I'm saying? Gonna use that. Juice. There we go. Just a couple of slices. All right, let's get some apple juice. About a cup. I keep it, yeah, about a cup. There we go. All right, let's get this guy started. So I locked in place. Turn the power on and go smoothie, baby. Look at it. All done. Now unplug it. Let's see what we got here. This concoction. It's definitely a concoction. All right, not too good. Okay. All right. Just a little bit left. Get that on there. Taste this guy. Looks beautiful though. Look at it. Hey guys, let's give this guy a taste. Actually, that's pretty good. It literally tastes like oatmeal. Well, it tastes more like blueberries with oatmeal, but it's not bad. You can taste a hint of that maple, that sugar, a hint of it. You can taste a little, just a tiny bit of that oatmeal. And it's a blueberry. I mean, it's good. It's really good. It's basically, you can make this as a meal replacement, basically be your breakfast. Because it has everything you need to get started. So it's a quick video. It's raining like crazy here, but the grind don't stop. Absolutely wonderful. And I'm gonna see you guys next video. I'm gonna sit down, get my head together, enjoy this nice smoothie that I made, and get ready for the next thing. But again, pray you guys are doing well. Much love to you, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.